A chord progression is simply some chords that are played one after each other, but it's not quite as simple as choosing any chord. For example, if I play a C major chord and then I put it with a D major chord and then perhaps an F minor chord and then an E minor chord, let's play that again. Doesn't really sound that good. And the reason why is because all those chords are they're not using all the same set of notes. Set of notes meaning the key or the scale that the piece is in. So far we've been working in C major, just to keep things nice and easy. And C major just uses all the white notes of the piano. So we're going to build a chord progression from C major. So the first chord that we'll make, funnily enough, is C major. So there's our first note of the scale, and then as always when we've got a chord we skip and play, skip and play. That gives us a C major chord. The other reason why we know that is because there is 1, 2, 3, 4 semitones and 1, 2, 3, 3 semitones. 4 and 3 gives you a major chord. So the first chord in C major is C major. If we make a chord starting on not the first but the second note of C major, which is, there's C, it's a D, and we do the same rule, we're playing the second note, skip the third, fourth, play, and sixth note of the scale, so we're using notes 2, 4, and 6 of the scale. We've got a D something. Let's figure out what quality chord it is. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a D minor chord. Now we can keep going all the way up the scale and we'll get the what is called diatonic chords of C major. Diatonic meaning that that chord is using notes from the scale. So let's start right from the start. The first chord in C major is C major. The second chord in C major is D minor. The third chord is E minor. The fourth chord is F major, G major, A minor, B diminished. Remember our diminished structure is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 on top of it. So 3 and 3, and then we're back to the start, our one chord C major. So that order is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. I'd like you to say that 10 times, then test yourself and see if you've memorized it. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Again, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Again, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Fourth time, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Fifth time, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Sixth, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Seventh, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Eighth, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Ninth time, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Last time, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Say aloud now, what are the chords of a major scale? Number 1 is, ready, go. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Good. So now that we know this, we can make up some chord progressions. So one chord will always be major. But it's kind of boring going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's jumble up the numbers a bit. Let's go 1. Maybe let's jump up to 4 major. Maybe 5 major. and then back down to 3 minor. Let's put all that together. 1, 2, 3, and 1 major, 4 major, 5 major, 3 minor. So that's an example of a chord progression, a diatonic chord progression, because all the notes used are belonging to the scale of C major in our case.